Now I am showing how to change your Instagram password. First of all, come to your Instagram profile page. Like I am here, click on the three lines in the top right. Like so, to get your setting, click on account center at the top, and then all you need to do is this. Scroll down into account settings, click on password and security in here. You need to click on change password. Choose the account. What do you want? This is for if you know your password, enter it in here. And you can choose your new password and retype it. And you can then click on the change password button at the bottom. If you forgotten it, click on forgotten your password. You will be sent an email with a link to reset your password, and you can follow it through and change it. Thanks for watching.